Hi guys, welcome to A Cumbrian Lad Outdoors and welcome to today's video. We are not in Cumbria, we are in the North Yorkshire moors and we are going to a place that I have camped at before about a year and 2 or 3 months ago, Skelton Tower. We were looking at doing Great Gable, but the weather in Cumbria today is truly shocking. So I've been speaking with Adam in the wild, who's behind me now, and we decided just to head back to the Skelton Tower, and there's a reason behind that. We're meeting up with a fella who inspired me to start this YouTube channel. I was watching him and I suddenly realised he's just another bloke, just a normal bloke just like me. We have chatted online a couple of times, but this is the first time I've got to camp with him. Just in front of me, blazing the trail, is Camping Dan at 85. But if I spin the camera around, we have 2 legends of the wild camping game. Adam in the Wild.
Yes, sir, Pussycat.
And the English Woodsman. Pleasure to meet you, Dan. Pleasure to meet you, mate. So yeah, we are just taking the easy walk to Skelton Tower. We're going to set up for the night, have a couple of drinks, some food and a good crack. Let's go! Little lammy. Hello, Baba. Hello. Camping Dan is still blazing the trail. But once again, we are getting our first view of Skelton Tower just walking around this little corner. We have some lovely forest, woodland surrounding us. There's Adam and Dan just following up behind. Got some lovely little, I want to say, hills just to the right of us. Really looking forward to this one. Obviously it's great to meet Dan for the first time, English Woodsman. One of the guys who inspired me to start this wild camping channel. So yeah, it's going to be a cracker. We are just on the approach to the tower now and the weather is intermittent. We've got clouds above us and the sun keeps peeking its head out and going away, but we've got a little bit of wind. Not too bad, but it is very muggy. I would say it's probably 18 Celsius, but it feels a lot warmer. But that breeze is lovely and cooling. And fingers crossed we get the stars in the sky at night like we got last time, but looking at the clouds, it's looking doubtful. Here we go. Skelton Tower. Now I'm not sure about the exact story, but basically some lord built this so he could escape the missus, come down here, read his books in peace and quiet and get absolutely steaming. Sounds like a good plan to me. Overlooking the train track. We should get the steam train coming past us again. We did hear it going out on the World Walk here. But yeah, Skelton Tower once again. We've got Camping Dan just getting his photos for the gram. Adam in the Wild, you sexy little Mr. Pussycat Meow.
As always, on Cumbrian Lad Outdoors channel, just want to say thank you very much for having me on. Yes, I am Mr. Pussycat Meow, and subscribe to Cumbrian Lad Outdoors because he is the best channel on YouTube. Fact. Joint with Boys on the Wood. Yes, I.
A link to all these boys' channel will be in the description. So, Adam in the Wild, Camping Dan 85, and of course, the legend that is the English Woodsman.
Beautiful, mate.
Yeah, as Adam's just said, what a cracking little place this is. And with a bit of luck, we won't have too many people here tonight. Hopefully, just the 4 of us. We'll be able to sit and chill, have a few drinks, enjoy some food, some good banter, and get to know the English Woodsman. I think I said last time there's a couple of farms down here. One just there and one just there. What an absolutely idyllic place to have a farmhouse with a steam train track running past in this valley and with the forest and everything. Look at this. Look at this. Well, it's still a little bit early to get set up, but me, the 2 Dans and Adam, we're just having a good crack about camping kit and being proper geeky like, but yeah, this little tower, man, I bet it was some pad back in the day. Dan's already found some rubbish that somebody's left behind. Somebody's left a frying pan and what have you behind, so we'll tidy that up again. But yeah, let's have a little wander up the stairs. Like, stairs are still well intact, although the top step, there's not much left of it. Yeah, this is the view out the tower. That wind is beautiful and cool as well. And it wasn't that long ago that part of this fell down. But again, I imagine some windows out looking over the forest there would have been a lovely place to stay. Right, I'm going to go and get my chair, have a natter with the lads, and then it's definitely time to get set up. We're still not set up, we just got the chairs out, as you can see, but the steam train's coming. We didn't see this last time, we didn't see the steam train, but we can hear its whistle coming. I know it's a bit old school, but I do love to see a steam train.
We can hear the toot, can't we?
We can hear the toot, can't we, mate?
We've all heard the toot.
We've all got our cameras out. Dan's just said we're like a bunch of old farts, like some school kids, man. Like some school kids on a trip out somewhere. That is so nice to see that.
What a touch, boys.
Get in.
What an absolute touch. Get in. I've camped here 12 times. That's the first time I've seen it. Yes, Mr. Train Pussycat.
Safe to say Adam's a bit excited about seeing steam train.
Sorry guys, got your videos on.
Well, I am all set up. And as you can no doubt hear, we've got a bit of rain. The wind has picked up a little bit as well. The two Dans and Adam are still on with just setting up just now. So I've managed to get in the dry. First one to get in. So as you can see, I'm in the Scarp. I've got my Sea Summit Etherlite XT Extreme with my OEX Leviathan EV900. And to be fair, I won't be using this setup for that much longer. We're getting into the summer months now. I won't need the insulated mat. I won't need the warmth of my Leviathan. Yes, dependent upon rain and wind, I will still be using the Scarp, but to be honest, I'm really looking forward to getting back out in the Fox and getting some new kit, man. You can see there, Tactical Duck is looking after the food and drinks. If you know, you know. Real Termat for tea, got my jet boil and my water, a few beers. I do have the drone with me, but that's all going to depend on what the weather's throwing at us. Got the usual electrics, my glasses, baby wipes, my buff, pee bottle, and I've got the Flextail Gear Tiny Pump X V2, which I've used to pump up my Sea Summit Etherlite XT Extreme, and it will be my light for the evening. And you can see I've got the light diffuser on there, which works really well. So at the moment I'm stuck in my tent. We're just going to have to suck it and see what the weather does. Adam has brought his 3x3 tarp, so if we do get a break in the weather, we can get that set up and give us somewhere to sit underneath and have a bit of a chat together. We have had a good chat already, and it's been awesome to meet Dan the English woodsman. Thank you very much for coming, mate, much appreciated. Really great to meet you after all these years. As I've already said in this video, you are probably the main reason why I started this channel. Dan is such a down-to-earth guy. As I've already mentioned, all of these guys' links to the YouTube channels will be in the description, so please do go and check them out. So as it's raining and I'm sat in the tent on my own, no surprises, I am going to crack myself a beer, and I will bring you back as soon as I can. Give us a toot on the horn. Nah. Great to see the steam trains. So the rain has stopped. You've seen my setup, my usual setup, Scarp and everything. Adam has brought his 3x3 tarp, so we've got some stones and we've got it set up, so if it does rain we've got an area to sit under in the dry. Camping Dan 85 is in the OEX Bobcat, and he's got a cracker of a pitch. Look at that. What a pitch. Once again, tactical duck. If you know, you know. And if you don't, we can't tell you. Adam in the Wild has got a lovely pitch just by the tower. He's in the Nightcat Ultralight one-person trekking pole tent, aka the Pussycat tent. Meow. See, he's got his rucksack and everything in there, a few beers. Camping Dan's come out to play. Adam's just shown us the drone. I think Dan's fallen in love with the drone. The English Woodsman is in the new OEX Hyena 2. Looks a quality tent. Plenty of room in there. And he's got the new Flux 5 OEX sleeping mat, but he's treating himself tonight. He's on the cot as well, so he should be really comfortable. Look at this, we've just had some rain. And it's quite muggy, so we've got loads of like low-lying fog. Wisps of clouds.
We've been getting a few drone lessons.
Absolutely brilliant.
Well guys, after that we didn't get much filming done. We basically all sat together, had a few beers and chatted about YouTube. A big thanks to Adam in the Wild for the drone footage where the train's going past. He was so lucky to get that shot. So please enjoy the rest of the drone footage and we'll see you in the morning.
It's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? My heart, my love, my life, the price. It's hard to fight, goodbye.
Well, good morning everyone. What time are we at now? 20 to 7. What a good night's sleep. Once again, this sleeping pad, the Seat Summit Ethelite Extreme. Wow, so comfortable, warm, brilliant. Can't recommend it enough. As you can see, I'm rubbing the sleep from my eyes. Wow, what a cracking night. Me, the two Dans, Adam, we just sat out for ages, just cracking away. Absolutely brilliant. So, time to get out the tent and get some fresh air, I think. Whoa, definitely. What a place this is. What a place this is. You can see there we had the tarp set up for when it was raining. We didn't actually need it. There's Dan, the English woodsman. He's up already. Yes, I. Yeah. Look at this mist this morning. That is absolutely stunning. Yeah, mate. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful place. So I'm just stood with Dan, English woodsman, and I've noticed his pan and kettle setup from fire maple. Let's have a look. So look at this, guys. It's the first time I've seen this on a frying pan and kettle. They've got a heat exchange in bottom. I'm really impressed with that. Dan was saying you get the frying pan, the pan and the kettle for around about £60. Yeah, look at that. The pan's got the heat exchange in the bottom, as has the kettle. So that will like all link together and pack down really small, same as my OEX, like pan and frying pan kit. Really impressed with that. £60, fire maple. Yes, I. Right, it's breakfast time. Of course. The all-day breakfast from Wayfarer. Dan's just taking his cot down. But yeah, there we go. All-day breakfast from Wayfarer on the Jetboil.
You're recording, you're setting up more.
Right, guys, what a cracking camp at Skelton Tower. Me, the two Dans and Adam have had an awesome time. You can see my rucksack there. You can see where my tent was. We've cleaned up all the rubbish that was left behind, and obviously taken our own rubbish as well. You can see there we've got the rubbish bag ready to go with the frying pan and all the stuff that was left behind. Absolutely awesome to meet English woodsman and obviously meet up with Dan and Adam again. What a brilliant camp. Thank you very much for clicking on the video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as we all have. So once again, until next time, stay safe, much love from a Cumbrian lad.